What you up to, Brian?
Oh, we're gonna wash the Corvette because the S14 is broken and we have a drift event in just a week. So the only logical thing to do is put this car together over the weekend.
What are we gonna do to this thing over the weekend to get it ready for this upcoming event?
We're gonna put coilovers, angle kit, handbrake, seat, steering wheel, and we're gonna wrap it so it matches the other cars because I can't have a gray car. I have to have a bright yellow car.
Yeah, that gray is good though.
This is the best gray.
But I think it'll look better in Lemon Sting.
Everything looks better in Lemon Sting. It's been proven.
To help driver mod?
It's been proven to make everything better when it's Lemon Sting. Well, I broke this one at GridLife, so it's going to hibernate for a minute while we get a new subframe, modify the subframe, new steering rack. But I'm going to put a built steering rack in it so it won't be an old one from 30 years ago, darn near. So this won't be at a few events. That's why we're going to build this Corvette this weekend. All right, we're gonna put all this on this weekend. 3 days, 2 days, 7 days, however long it takes in a weekend to build this car.
7 days in a weekend.
7 days in a weekend, maybe. That might be how much I'm awake. But we're gonna put Part Shop Max billet angle, or knuckles for the angle kit, with their tie rods. I'm gonna run conversion spacers so I can put some spicy CHROME WORK T7Rs on this car. We've got modified clear taillights from Trevor Rowland, Part Shop Max handbrake, lines. The super sauce is some custom Fortunato 510 coilovers with custom spring rates. I think I went 16K in the rear and 10K in the front. Might be 15K, I don't remember. Grip Royal wheel, just like the other cars. Absolutely have to have that. And a Satus seat, custom stitched. So it's not that much stuff. It should be pretty easy.
It'll only take 10 minutes.
It's gonna be super, super easy.
Yeah. Do it, I suppose.
Oh, and the best part. So they discontinued Lemon Sting, which is the color we put on all of our cars. This is all we have left. It's not enough to do a whole car. Thankfully, they still make it in satin. No, we're not wrapping the car in satin. That would be ugly as hell. We're gonna put a gold flake laminate over top of the satin material to get it glossy and to add a little extra flair with gold flake. I don't know. The internet told me to look at my owner's manual for how to get it on the lift. And I don't... It's gotta be in here somewhere. Yeah, I don't have lift pucks, so we're probably gonna break the car in half, I guess. Loss of control. It tells me how to skid here. This is the section I needed to read.
The drift section?
Is skidding under loss of control.
Oh.
Let me see here. Cornering skid. Acceleration skid. Too much throttle. Yeah, we're gonna do some of that. Ah! Aha! Here we go. Under vehicle care, Alec. Vehicle care.
Oh, yeah.
Lifting from front.
Don't do it, that's what it says.
Be sure to place a block or pad between the jack and the vehicle.
Does that count?
That's a
that
pad.
has pucks built into it, really, right? I think that fucking counts, boys.
I don't know. I feel like I don't have the right stuff to get this car on the lift. All right, it's Friday. I don't know what time it is. I think it's 6:30. Oh, it's 7 o'clock.
On the dot.
7 o'clock Friday. We're gonna see how much of this we can get done tonight, tomorrow, and then hopefully wrap the car on Sunday. But who knows? I've never worked on this thing before.
Nuts and bolts.
Nuts and bolts. We don't want these shims anymore that are behind the upper, so we're gonna try to get as much negative camber in the front. I think they say you can get up to -4 degrees. We'll see. Got the Part Shop Max eccentric lockout kit in the lower control arms to try to give us more negative camber. Looks like it's gonna do the job.
Look at something.
Uh-oh.
Something, pal. Can't be important. All gold, everything. All gold, everything. ASAP third.
All gold, all the time.
Huh. You don't need the big one.
C6. I'm in the danger zone. Hey, I got it.
Attaboy. Okay.
I haven't got that one.
All right.
Hey, I told you I got it.
Are you sure I didn't just get that?
No, I got it.
That was my V8 that
It looks like I just used. Normally I'd be scared, but it's not my knuckle.
You guys red log them?
Yep.
Nice.
Stitches are not coming out.
Nope. As I said, normally I'd be scared, but it's not my knuckle, so it doesn't
Heard
matter.
that.
There's thread locker and cross threads. I don't know why we're doubling up. It doesn't
You
make
just
sense.
welded it in there.
Yeah, for sure. That feels great.
See you, buddy. Thanks for your help.
Hey, I'll be by sometime.
Yes.
Adios to me, guys.
So long.
I'm ready to get home safe.
Saturday, I think it's 6 o'clock. Didn't get started on this until a little bit too late, but yeah, 6 o'clock Saturday. It's down. We did a eyeball alignment. Had to cut some threads in the rear for these adapters, but now all the wheels are fitting really nice. Ride height set. Got the tie rods in. Had to cut a little bit off the tie rods, but I think all the suspension is done and ready to go. couple more small things today, and then making it yellow tomorrow on Sunday. Sunday night, we'll be doing donuts with it. We're gonna yank the interior apart in this car and try not to break the clips. It's not an old, shitty Japanese car, so hopefully everything comes apart nicely, and we'll put this Part Shop Max handbrake in. Because everything bolts in, comes built on a bracket, which is sick, so we don't have to build any brackets. I hate building brackets. Worst. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay. All right, after much drilling and hard tightening with how the seat fits in nice and tight in the car, we finally have a seat. I modified my bracket because I like to sit a lot farther back than where this thing was gonna have me, but seat, wheel, handbrake, interior is done. All right, that's it for Saturday. I think I'm done. Tomorrow, we wrap this thing. We've got rock and roll. Sunday, time to wrap this car, make it lemon sting, and we're gonna print on some of the vinyl for the roof. I'm gonna print the trash can logo on the roof, so that should be pretty cool. Yeah, we're gonna load that up into the HP latex printer, print on it, and then I'm gonna laminate all of the vinyl, start cutting it out, get pieces ready. And Luke from Obsess will be here in about an hour, and we're gonna start laying some color down. All right, we've got the latex printing directly onto this satin material. It's gonna kind of be like a drop shadow look of the trash can logo. Should look pretty tough. As soon as that's done, we're gonna laminate everything, make it glossy. Got it all laminated. This stuff looks insane, but I guess that's what you get when you get like $1,600 in vinyl just to make this look as cool as it does. This thing's gonna look insane. I can't wait. All right, this is the last time we're gonna see this thing gray. It looks pretty sick gray, not gonna lie. This is a rare color on these cars too, so it's kind of a shame to wrap it. Everyone says we're crazy to wrap it, but it's gonna look way cooler when it's yellow and matches the other cars. Got this thing probably halfway done. Seeing it with the front bumper really makes me think that this was the right choice. It's like 9 o'clock Sunday. I think I'm 3/4 of the way through this wrap. Taking a break to just look at this thing before I finish it up. And that is a wrap. Started Friday, 7 o'clock, finished Sunday at midnight. Car's built. Fortune Auto Coilovers, Part Shop Max angle kit, Part Shop Max handbrake, Satus seat, grip royal wheel, clear tails, clear corners, full wrap. I don't know, I'm sure I'm missing some other stuff. A couple more bits and pieces to get done before the weekend. I have to get it aligned and bleed the handbrake. Probably gonna put some skirt splitters and a front lip on it too, but the majority of it's done and I couldn't be happier. It's done. It works. It feels so good. I'm glad nothing broke when we did donuts in it, but I guess that means we put it together right. So now we just have to get an alignment and Drift Indy this weekend. We'll really see how it does.